Sangrongsal Simi Chengjakha newly appointed Khlaijaknai Food Inspector Rokni training program. Chengjakha hasini tourism Mantri Susanto Chaudhary no Covid takeover officer stroke. Ashlo tourism Mantri Susanto Chaudhary ni Manjak Mungaraja Khorang ni Kembazar ni CIPARD tang no got training program inauguration Khlaijakha. A training ni bisingti food inspector stroke ni Samung Tamotama abrok no Furungjaknai hini shaka Mantri Susanto Chaudhary. A training shalbarome Khlaijaknai hini shaka. Abno karebo ashlote budal bidal nakomani kolam shawikhana roka Mantri Susanto Chaudhary,
which is causing huge hindrance or impediment in the supply chain. We need to tackle it very meticulously. In consultation with the higher officials, you have to sometimes take a bold step for the desired market control. And you people in this training session will be imparted with the knowledge by the experts, by the resource persons, how you have to tackle it in the coming times and take it forward so that there is no public inconvenience. At the same time, the people, the market, the businessmen, they are also not hostile. As a part of the government, as a part of the administration, that would be your first and foremost responsibility towards the society, towards the people of our state. Means you have to have integrity towards your duty with full of honesty, devotion and sincerity, and that will take you forward further as a responsible and good officer in the coming times, and this will be highly recognized by the officials. Don't think that your activities will not be under surveillance. You'll always be under surveillance, and that's how your ACR, your report will be prepared. And you people are highly educated. You have pursued MBA, BTech, masters in various disciplines. You have seen in the recent past also being a part and parcel in the administration, in Panchayat department, RD department, any other departments. You need not be taught about the protocols, how this has to be maintained. I don't have any iota of doubt in my mind that you people, wherever you are today in the food and civil supplies department, will come out with flying color by dint of your quality, by dint of your performance. And whatever responsibility will be bestowed upon, we live up to the expectation of your authority. My dear candidates, this is my call to you people, being the minister of the department. Today I am here in this department. Tomorrow I may be shifted to another department. But my activities should continue. So today you are here in this department. Tomorrow you may join as a TCS, TPS officer also. And I think this is a feeder post, no? Food inspector? It's a feeder post. Down the line, 10 years, 15 years, 12 years, you will be promoted as TCS grade 2. Then you will be called as a civil servant. So your integrity, your performance will be counted each and every time. So your activities will be alive. You may not be here in the department as a food inspector, because once you are promoted as TCS grade 2, you will be a DC. TCS grade 1, you will be an SDM, then SHG, then you will be promoted as an IS. So your activities will be alive.
Raja Khorang ni Simi Omit ni Chini Khorang.